hopefully this will capture it. I'm going to show how you take the fan out. Sometimes these fans can be a real fucking pain in the ass. But I make my life easier. I take these pulleys off, you know, the tensioner, the other pulley here, and I take this. I got to do the radiator anyway, so anyway, let's see if I can capture this, because again, it can be irritating sometimes. Hopefully this will work without the fucking phone falling. Alright, so I'm going to kind of drop it in here. Drop it down more. Hopefully you can see it. Oh shit, that's what I forgot. Yeah, my dumb ass forgot to take the lower hose off, which makes this difficult. But yeah, take the lower hose off too. So I kind of, where it drops down more. And then, you're going to kind of twist it. And it's going to come out like that. First couple times I'm doing this, it fucking sucked, but yeah, so that's what I do. I just kind of drop it down in between that space there, and that gives me enough room, you saw it, to kind of twist it out. So hopefully this will help somebody, because this is probably the hardest part about taking this fucking radiator out.